Hey guys, this is Chef Bee. How you doing? Live from the kitchen. I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys what the curry nori rolls look like. So this is a particular dish that we have that is at Wadada. And what I wanted to do was just show you what the actual dish looks like and, you know, talk a little bit about it. So the nori rolls are our curried seed pate, and it's wrapped in seaweed. We also have some fresh cut vegetables. We have cabbage, radishes, kale in here, carrots, zucchini, all the good stuff, right? So this is what the dish looks like. And we made this dish nut-free because we know that a lot of people deal with allergies. So this is a nut-free dish, all right? We also just started cutting them a little bit smaller so that you can just take one and grab it like this. And eat one. So that's really good. So if you're at Wadada, you can grab one of these. They're super good. We know that you guys like raw. So it's my way of offering you guys a really beautiful, simple raw dish. All right, so that is our curry sunseed pate, and super lovely. Try it out the next time you're at Wadada. All right, peace.